Are you dreaming of country living on a budget? 6725 Henderson Hwy is a cute, updated starter home on 2 acres. Let's go take a look. Start your mornings on this cozy front porch, perfect for a coffee and a good book. Inside, the living and dining area is bright and open and ideal for entertaining friends and family. It's got that comfy, welcoming vibe. The kitchen and bathroom were both fully redone in 2022. Definitely the showstoppers in this house. The primary bedroom with walk-in closet leads to your own private deck and a fenced yard, great for your pup. With updates like new insulation, septic pump, well, and more already done. Want space to grow without breaking the bank? Call me now at 204-803-6674 to book an appointment.